Hi! Yes, it's me. I didn't die, just got the second master's degree. At this time in graphic design. If you missed me, follow my Instagram, I try to post every day. So today I will show you my interpretation of Amethyst from Steven Universe series. Big part of her left eye is hidden by her hairband. So I thought that she has a scar, or her eye was damaged. As before with Peridot and Lapis, I tried to use one color in makeup, but now it's purple. I take Derwent watercolor and pastel pencils for sketching. One of the frequently asked questions is how many layers of sealant I apply. Before painting, I apply 1-2 coats. Then I make a sketch layer with basic shapes and colors. Then apply 1 coat of sealant to paint skin details and saturated colors. Seal and repeat until you are satisfied with the result. The final layer is adding highlights and shimmer. Ordinary Faceup takes 4 or 5 layers, but it's just my experience, it's not a rule. White pastel pencil isn't enough to cover dark skin tone, like Jane or Claudine has. So I use white acrylic paint and a synthetic brush in size 5/0. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and write in the comments what do you want to see in the next video. BJD, Blythe or Monster High repaint. Hope I will be able to make videos more often, but 1 in 4 months isn't too hard, right? See you next time, bye!